Everyone, welcome to my second tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about MVC pattern that we follow in Laravel. First of all, go to your directory. Last time I created the project called blog. So to run this project, to start the server, this project, then you first of all you have to write PHP audition serve. Then it will start a server, and you can view that this is running perfectly, right? Okay, now open a project into any one of the editor. You can use Visual Studio or you can use Sublime. Yeah, I'll be using Sublime in this whole tutorial. Yeah, there are lots of folder that are provided by Laravel: app, bootstrap, config, database, public, resource, routes, storage, test, painter, .env example. Okay, and in app folder there will be every model controllers, every validation you'll be you'll be storing in this directory. Yep, in HTTP folder you will be seeing a controller folder, then inside that you will be storing every controllers, and models are stored inside this application app folder. Yeah, and in config folder there will be every configurations file, and in database there will be a migrations and sets. Yeah, you will be learning this in further sections. Yeah, and in public folder there will be every JavaScript, CSS file, your images, everything here. And in resources there will be a view. Yeah, whatever the view we will be making here, I will be talking about this in later. And in route you'll be making every URL here. Yeah, I'll be talking this in detail, right? Show it. And in test, every test unit will be here. Laravel will provide you, it will install PHP unit um, automatically, and you can test every in here. I'll be making this tutorial in further about the PHP unit. And in Blender every dependency will be stored. So right now go to the route directory. Yeah, and what does this mean? I'll be telling you, I'll be talking about the route here. Route is a facade which you don't have to take worry about it. And this get means a method. Yeah, which method you are calling: get, post, put, whatever the method you'll be calling, that will be here. And this is the directory you've provided, like in uh, like in core PHP you will be using like localhost, yeah, slash, and git slash, yeah, Laravel project slash, yeah, and blah 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 blah. Yeah, this will be your, yeah, just like localhost slash okay, articles, yes, dot article slash index dot php, something like this in core PHP. But in Laravel we don't have to do about that. It is making it very easy for you all guys. So okay, I'll make it route for class about URL here. Yeah, let's make it anonymous function right now. Return view will be returning a view, and I have already told that view will be inside resource folder. In resource folder there will be a view folder. In view folder you will say, okay, right now I'll make you about.php file. It will be similar for you, and afterwards I'll talk you about the bed engine. So about page, right? Okay, fine. Return about page. Okay, we have make the route for slash about. Let's open this. Wow, now you have already seen you have this about page. Yeah, this about page is redirecting. Now if you want to uh, if you want to write if you want to display any name here, then in core you'll be using like dollar name is equals to something, okay, John, yeah, and here you'll be using like dollar name, yep. If I run this, then you'll see that it will display a John. And what if I want to send uh, this value from route section, then or from controller, then how we can send those that value? Okay, I'll be teaching you about that also. If I'll write here dollar name equals to John, then I'll be sending this view with variable name, and in variable name I'll be keep value this dollar name, yeah. Then I can simply display this and it won't be any changes because I've seen the same thing. Yeah, I can write here Jonah, yeah, you can see here it will be working fine. Okay, what if you want to make a controller, yeah, if controller view will take and request from the controller, and how we can do it those things, then we can simply make it controller here. I'll give you sample example for the controller. Make it simply php artisan make controller. Okay, okay, pages controller, yeah. Okay, controller successfully, and I've already told you that controllers will be inside app http controllers. You can see here pages controller, yeah. Let's make here okay, about page, right? And I'll return here a view, copy this, just paste it here, yeah. And same thing, I'll be doing the same thing here. Okay, fine. Okay, now okay, now here you have to write controller name. The directory, if you have a directory, like if you want to call the controller from auth login controller, then you have to write auth plus login controller, yeah. But right now I don't have any directory, so I can directly write pages controller, pages controller, yeah. And I have to define which methods I have to call within this controller, yeah. Right now I have to call about page, so I'll give her at the rate and I'll provide method name, that which method I have to call, and it will go to here about page, and then this method will be triggered. If after this method it will return a view that's about, which is inside a view page about, and it will send with the variable name and with the value this. So you can see there is a no change at all, yeah. It's working fine. Let's write another name. Okay, what do you want to write? Okay, let's write, okay, capital, yeah, fine, it's working fine, right? Okay, well, okay, fine. Let's go to the about page, and I'll be talking about what the blade engine, yeah, how it will be working in in core PHP. You'll be using like this. So if you want to use the blade engine, you have to rename this file, and you have to put .blade.php, yeah. After you making this, the same thing you are doing here, just you'll uh, just you use double dollar double curly braces, and inside that you'll use dollar name, and this is just equivalent to this. Let's be, wow, yeah, there's no any error here. That means it's working fine, yeah. That's it, yeah, it's working fine, right? That means I think you have already get a concept about controller, about view, and about the blade engine, yeah, about the routes and everything. So in this tutorial I'll be ending right here, and in further tutorial we'll be talking about the controllers and views in more detail. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this tutorial.